In this video, we compare DJI Air 3 Combo and HS720 GPS Drone 4K. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Air 3 Combo is a game changer in aerial photography, boasting dual cameras that are perfect for capturing breathtaking immersive shots. This drone is compliant with FAA Remote ID rule, enhancing its safety features and making it worry-free for users. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing feature provides comprehensive protection, especially in challenging environments. The DJI Air 3 Combo captures stunning 48-megapixel images, allowing for high-quality crops and revealing surprising details in every shot. With its ability to record 4K 60 FPS HDR videos, it provides immersive footage with rich details and vibrant colors. The DJI Air 3 Combo offers a stable 04 HD transmission, ensuring smooth flights with a reliable and clear live feed up to 20 kilometers. The HS720 GPS Drone 4K by Holy Stone provides a high-quality 4K UHD camera with image stabilization, ensuring crisp and clear images and videos even in motion. This drone is FAA compliant for remote ID, eliminating the need for an extra module and ensuring worry-free flights. Equipped with GPS-assisted intelligent flight, the drone returns automatically when the battery is low or signal is lost, and can follow set paths or circle a point, allowing for focused photography and creation. The drone features an upgraded configuration with 2 intelligent batteries for a total of 52 minutes flight time, brushless motors for quieter flight and lower power consumption, and a foldable design for easy transportation. The HS720 is easy to operate with multi-sensors for stable hovering and optical flow positioning for effective operation in weak GPS signal areas. The considerate controller, with a control range reaching up to 3,000 feet, displays battery level and GPS signal on an LED screen and includes a button for turning the drone light on or off, catering to both right and left-handers. Comparing the DJI Air 3 Combo and the HS720 GPS Drone 4K, there are several key differences to consider. While both drones offer 4K video capabilities, the DJI drone captures 48 megapixel images, potentially offering richer detail than the Holy Stone drone. Safety-wise, both drones are compliant with FAA Remote ID rule, providing a worry-free flying experience. The DJI drone boasts omnidirectional obstacle sensing, offering robust protection in challenging environments. In contrast, the Holy Stone drone utilizes GPS-assisted intelligent flight, automatically returning when battery is low or signal is lost. Battery life is a significant point of difference. The HS720 offers a total of 52 minutes flight time with its 2 intelligent batteries, while DJI Air 3's flight time is not explicitly stated. The DJI drone offers a stable 04 HD transmission with a live feed up to 20 kilometers, while the HS720's control range reaches up to 3,000 feet. Pricing is also a key factor, with the DJI drone being significantly higher in price. In conclusion, while both drones have their unique strengths, the choice between them may largely depend on your specific needs and budget.